Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Mission School, Teshi. Today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on short answer question and competency based question and answer from chapter 14. So students, let's start the class. Today we will start from 6. In our previous class we have discussed the short question from 1 to 5. Today we will start from 6. The first question is, the population growth of our country is high. What is population density? How much did the population increase in the last 40 years from 1970 to 2011? The answer of the question is, the number of people per square kilometer land area is called the population density. It is determined by dividing the population of an area by its land area. The population of Bangladesh becomes almost double in the 40 years from 1970 to 2011. Dear students, our next question is, increasing of population causes deforestation. What is deforestation? What is changed by this? The answer of the question is, deforestation is the clearing of forest by cutting down trees. People are destroying the forest to cultivate more crops and farm more livestock. The next question is, what effect is seen on natural resources due to population growth? The answer of the question is, as population grows, pressure on natural resources is seen. Our natural resources are finishing very quickly due to large need. Our next question is, why biotechnology is used? The answer of the question is, biotechnology is used to grow plants that are more nutritious, disease resistant and more productive. Our next question is, what is population census? The answer of the question is, the system of counting the population number of a country irrespective of all of her adult, young, infant, old men and women in total is known as population census. Here her is mentioning the country. Do you understand? Now we will go to our next question. Write the names of two problems created from population growth. The answer of the question is, two problems created from population growth are, create pressure on natural resources. Just now we have discussed about this. And next one is, create a shortage of food, clothing, housing and land. Dear students, now we will discuss about competency based question and its answer. We will discuss today number 5th competency based question and answer, and 6 also, that means number 5 and 6. The question is, population growth has several impacts on the environment. Write down 5 negative impacts of population growth on natural resources. The answer of the question is, 5 negative impacts of population growth on natural resources are given below. First one, additional need for food and shelter for the growing population have negative impacts on natural resources such as soil, water, trees and animals. Second one is, to fulfill the needs of increasing population, a land is cultivated several times and that destroy the fertility of land. If we use one land more and more, that time the land will be lose its fertility. Now we will discuss the next point. The third point is chemical fertilizer and pesticides are used excessively in agriculture to produce more food for the growing population. This causes soil pollution and water pollution. The next, that means fourth point is harmful substances emitted from steamers and other water vehicles along with human waste polluted the water. That means the increased population need more water vehicles, also that water vehicle pollute the water. The last point is many factories are built to provide jobs to the additional population. Harmful gases emitted from these factories cause air pollution. That means to meet our additional jobs, we need more industry and factories which pollute the air. Now we will discuss the last question for today. This is number 6 competency based question, and the question is the forest besides Tania's house are destroyed. It has become an open field now. Why are people destroying the forest? Write 3 negative impacts of deforestation on the environment. The answer of the question is people are destroying the forest to cultivate more crops and farm more livestock. Moreover, they use the land for shelters, roads and industries. 3 negative impacts of deforestation on the environment are given below. Deforestation causes the changes of ecosystem. Second one is the loss of forest causes the destruction of habitats of living things. The last point is deforestation causes soil erosion and landslides. Dear students, your homework number 12 is short question answer 6, 7 and 8. You have to write only answer of these questions and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, look here, this one and this one is your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing at home, read the chapter properly, learn all the question answer and about by your parents, do the SW because you will get your CT diary and SB marks on the basis on your performance of your SW. And stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. See you again.